We're in Sprouts right now, and I'm looking for my tea, which is Breath Easy, but it looks like it's not here or they're out of it. But I found another brand which is Choice. It's like the same. It has the same ingredients with the one I'm using, with the brand I'm using, and I really like this tea. It helps my asthma, and I usually like take this especially in the winter. I'll just take this one. Also, I have like a favorite spot here, which is like candles and incenses. Every time I go here, I would like go on this aisle and smell the oils and candles and incenses. It's like musk and rose. It smells good. And they have this bracelets here. It says something like, it's like amethyst. Okay. It's so cute. And it costs about $8.99. They have like, what's that? Karma beads. Wait.
Some of it, not all of it. Do you see what I'm saying? So make sure you save space for the paradise.
What's the Pacifica?
So there you go.
It's like And I love smelling the perfumes. This one smells good.
Yeah. I want to have like the ones that we really like here. Genesis today. Yeah, the ones that really sell well. I'm going to have to put in the orange parties right here.
I think that's it. That's it for now. I'm gonna go back to my mom.